everybody, it's Khristina from Redefined Kreative, and I am super excited for a brand new month of How to Kill a Kit with Style. And this month, I picked up a small little mini kit that I thought was super cute from Hobby Lobby. And it's part of Paper Studio, which you probably already know is half price every other week. So it was like $4.50, but I thought that it was really cute. And so it's called Forest Friends. So I'm going to use that as the basis for my kit this month, and then I'm just going to add a bunch of stuff to it. So it gave me a really good starting place. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the paper, and it is not the thick paper, it is the thin stuff, which I am okay with. It really doesn't bother me that much. So I've got 2 sheets of each. So this one has kind of this animal print on a turquoise background. And then there is this one, which I thought was really fun, that has all these geometric trees and then some clouds up at the top. And this one, we have just some tree, branches or stems or whatever you want to call them. Some of them have the wood grain, some of them have some colorful stripes. It's a fun paper. All right, I also have this one that has kind of more of the animals mixed in with some of the trees. And then there is a black and white tree pattern with a few pops of really bright colors, which I thought would also be really fun. And then I have added in, I have a little scrap of this red from Bella Boulevard. And it has this really pretty floral that kind of matches everything on the back. So I have some scraps of that. And then I also grabbed this one. This is also from Bella Boulevard, Let's Go on an Adventure. So it has some of the cut apart cards. I have used it, so this is kind of a leftover, and then some blue water on the back. I do have some more paper from this collection if I feel like I need to go to my stash and grab any more. I did also pull out the sticker sheet, which is also partially used from that same Let's Go on an Adventure collection, as well as the chipboard, which I've also used a couple pieces of already. So that's that same really bright, fun outdoor adventure kit. And it matches really well with the other things that came in this Forest Friends kit. So inside here, there is a sticker alpha that is just a wood grain. There's also a sticker sheet that looks like this that has a bunch of shapes and words and really cute phrases and things. This is just like the pattern paper. We've got wander, be brave. I just really love the colors. All right, there's also an ephemera pack that comes in there, and some of these are pretty big pieces. So I'm gonna have to get a little bit creative. But the animals and things are really cute. Time to explore, some owls, some trees, hello there, some little mushrooms and a fox. Just some really cute icons. I thought they were cute. All right, so then I've also thrown in a cut file. This one has the mountains with some clouds and stars and a moon. I really liked that one. And then I have grabbed another alpha. This is On Our Way from Fancy Pants that has all those bright colors in circles, so that's going to match perfectly. I also have just a few of these Ellie Studio puppy stickers left, so I'm hoping I can use up some of those, as well as this partial pack of epoxy flares from Scrap and Happy Studio. So you can kind of see I went with really bright, fun, outdoorsy colors. I do have a couple of the ephemera pack from that same Bella Boulevard camping collection. Let's Go on an Adventure. And I have 2 packs because I liked them so much. I wanted to be able to use multiple flowers and clouds and tags and things. So I threw those in the kit. I also have this acrylic phrase from that same collection of Bella Boulevard that says Live, Love, Camp in that really bright green. I have grabbed some black and gray penguin suit sequins from Spiegel Mom Scraps because I thought the black accents would go really well with everything that's going on in the kit. I have a few leftovers of some coordinating enamel dots. And then I grabbed 3 different stamp sets that are kind of like my go-to camping stamp sets. So I have this one from Studio Calico where you can add all these little shapes and phrases to make your own, bigger shapes and banners. I also have this one from Citrus Twist that has this really cool like map and compass and mountains, and I thought that would be super cute. And then this little tiny one also from Citrus Twist that's just like camp, life is good, live outdoors, a little campfire. And then last but not least, I grabbed these new cork shapes, and these are from the Redefined Kreative shop. And I just grabbed the cork hearts. There are all different sizes in here. So there's big ones, there's tiny ones. They already have the adhesive on the back, which is super awesome. And so I'm going to be playing around, showing you guys some really cool, fun ways to take cork and combine it with the other embellishments in your kit. And so that is going to do it. I'm going to play with these really bright, fun colors and do some outdoors camping adventure type layouts for the month of June. So hopefully you will come back and check out the layouts that I make with this kit, and I'll see you soon. Bye everybody.